Hello everybody, in the next video clip you're going to hear this thing, this Titan water heater buzzing. I'm thinking it's an air leak or something that's going on inside the machine, but we don't know what's going on. It's buzzing and we need to know, so if you guys can let me know and watch the next clip, you'll know what's happening. So watch the next video, the video coming up, we'll have this thing buzzing. So have a nice day. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye. Hey everybody. The water heater's buzzing. And it just stopped. Oh my gosh, it's hot too. Wah! Yeah, somebody just used hot water. But yeah, from what you could hear, hot water was buzzing. I'm gonna shut that off for a bit. Turn on the hot water. I'm gonna try to drain some air. So now we're gonna re-administer hot water. Okay, we're gonna try this. See if this works. This is a pretty heavy duty electrical cable here. Pretty beefy stuff. See, the two LEDs indicate it's working. So I'm gonna leave it on the water heater. I'll be back. So yeah, the water heater has stopped buzzing. It's pretty hot. Pretty hot. We do have the water running now. It's just pretty significantly hot. Can't really see in there. It's kind of dark. Yeah, this is a pretty beefy wire. If you guys know how thick this wire is, what gauge this is, could you let me know in the comments? Yeah, it's a pretty good water heater though. Kept up for many years. So yeah, it's been buzzing. Have a nice day. Hello everybody. I was just wondering, in the next